morning guys, welcome back to the channel. As you probably noticed by the thumbnail, we got ourselves a new little bit of salvage and stuff on there, which turned up from Copart yesterday morning and stuff, and I've basically want to crack straight on with it, because this one, there's reasons behind it, but yeah, you'll see in a minute. It shouldn't take too long to build, and then we can have some fun with it. So let me roll a bit of B-roll and show you guys what we've actually got. Well guys, there you go, you just seen what we've got. We've got ourselves a little Focus ST. It's come to a stage where that dirty little thing over there, which needs a bloody good wash because it's covered in salt still, is pretty much nearly finished to the stage that I want to get it to at the moment. So it's ready for shows this year and stuff like that, and a few other bits and bobs which I want to do with it. So it was time to find something else, and it was one of those ones that I didn't know what to get. These were putting it. I used to play around with a lot of Fords as well as all my V-dub stuff, which you guys only think I used to play with V-dub stuff, but I used to play with a lot of Fords and stuff as well. And over the years I've had quite a few RS turbos. If I remember to find any of the pictures, I'll stick a few of them up as I'm in the corner and stuff as I'm going along and stuff. So, but yeah, I had quite a few of them over the years, that's to say the least. Wish I still owed a load of them now, because they'd be worth absolute small fortune if I did. But life is life and all that the rest of it. So can't do a lot more about it now. They've gone somewhere else. Other people have got them and they're getting benefit out of them. So it's one of those ones. I just went on Copart, started looking through and stuff like that, and stumbled across this little thing, which is a Cat N vehicle, which is front end damaged. And we mean just, it's all, don't know what's in behind the back of it. I ain't even looked yet. So yeah, we got that and stuff like that. I've always liked the Focus ST, so I actually prefer, to be honest with you, I prefer the Focus RS like we all do, but I ain't got like 20 or 30 grand to go and buy one. I'd love to, but I haven't got the money to do it. So it's one of those ones. The next best thing down from that is the ST. Similar, it's got the same engine, even though it don't run the same bits and bobs on it and stuff like that, so they run different maps and stuff like that. But that's neither here or there. It's, as far as I'm concerned, similar sort of thing, and I can quite easily make one run the same sort of power. But we're getting to that in future episodes and stuff like that, so that gives you something to look forward to on that. But I always remember what Clarkson said on Top Gear and stuff about the things when they first came out, when he had the orange one on there and stuff. A good old Asmo build.
Ready! I do think they've got the name wrong though. They've called it the Focus ST, which in the language of the ladies' lavatory stands for sanitary towel. What they should have done is call it the Asbo.
So the outside, apart from it being really dirty, it doesn't look too bad on this side. The side skirt's all out of line and all out of whack down there, so that's going to have to be investigated a bit and stuff like that. And like I said, the side skirt's all hanging off and stuff like that, so we'll investigate what's going on with that. I'm not particularly too fussed. Someone's put some carbon fibre door handle covers on, which, yeah, will come off because they ain't staying, they're horrible. And you got the 18-inch wheels on there, brake disc, well, typical. Been sat around for a while, needs doing. The front ones, someone's actually spent a bit of money on it, put drilled ones on the front of it, so that might help a little bit. Depends on what condition they are in when I go looking. The back bumper's all out of line, so the back bumper's gonna have to come off, and we've got a hole in it and the rest of it, so we're gonna have to get it off and have a look. Someone's de-wiped the back, which not too fussed one way or another there. The boot I can't open at the moment, so that's going to be a mission for some other flipping time. But yeah, it's is what it is. But that tyre's flat as a pancake, and both these front tyres are down to wire on the inside, so it just almost be doing burnouts or tracking tape. But the front, which is where it was listed on copart, you got bits missing here, there, and everywhere. The whole front bumper is buggered, and I'm yet to actually open the bonnet yet because it's the typical bonnet. It's a Focus bonnet which don't bloody open, so I've had a quick look up and down. I can't see too much damage, but the bit that really got me was yeah, in here. Oh, the front's not too bad, see, it's just dirty, typical usual stereo missing. But then we got crap, more crap. Obviously someone smoked a lot and stuff like that. And in the back, well, you got toys and the rest of it. I don't even want to touch any of that, so I put a pair of gloves on and stuff like that. It's absolutely disgusting. We've got mould growing in there a lot. If we go around the outside, I'll show you the outside. But yeah, it's lovely in there. Definitely got some work to cleaning that mess out. You go around this side, more junk, more rubbish and more rubbish, and more. Got a seat which is, yeah, seen better days. Someone liked a bit of perfume, more perfume, aftershave, more like that's cheap rubbish. But yeah, it's seats hanging apart. Don't know if it works. Oh, it does work. And you got paperwork and stuff here. I'll have a look at that in a minute, see what's in there. But yeah, as you just seen by that, like the inside was absolutely disgusting. The front of it's a bit damaged. They got dents in the bonnet. There's obviously someone's. I'm going to show up on camera. Yeah, it does just about. But someone's been trying to open the bonnet, which don't bloody open, does it? Typical, but that's life. But let's see if I can get this bonnet open and see what's under there. Got the bonnet open the usual typical way. Took the little bit out of it, put a pair of mould grips on the end of it, and you just turn it with that. Works. Oh, I've never had a failure with doing that one. Just basically just taking that section out there, so it's quite a simple way of doing it. They all bugger up, they all break, they're all shite, but we'll address that some other time. But under here, looks like someone's spent a bit of time on here at some time, even though it's absolutely disgusting. Ford Racing, yeah, bit of mirror cover there. Obviously was green at some time, but someone's done that. Yeah, lovely that, isn't it? A couple more green bits here and everywhere. Standard plenum, standard airbox. More than likely got K&N inside it. We've got some more different colour pipes. And another cap that's the rest of it and stuff. It's I'm leaking water, but I just looked a minute ago quickly, and that water pipe there has got a split in it. So that'll be where my water leak's coming from. As I've just found out, which is that trail going along there. I'm not bothered. Not bothered in the slightest. We'll solve that problem. But yeah, under there, doesn't look too bad. It's just a normal 2.5, well, basically Volvo engine that's inside. I just noticed we've actually got a dump valve down there as well, which is a crappy old Bailey thing. That's going to get blanked off. I hate solid things. But yeah, someone's put a horrible colour badge on it. So much like green right there with the green inside and the rest of it. But this one, it's the ST3. So the ST3 basically comes with all the leather and stuff in it. It's the top of the range one of the STs you can get. So it's got all that on it. You got all the xenon headlights and the rest of it, even though they need some work. But yeah, it is what it is. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not fazed by any of it at the moment. Admittedly, got to get the front end apart and work out how much damage is in behind the back of that, the rest of it, and go from there. But the reason why I'm not bothered by that, because whatever parts I need, hiding underneath this cover is another Focus ST, as you can see. So in the same colour as well. Front end's alright, so front end could go straight on there. From memory, I think the back end's alright. Interior is quite good as well, so they're going to put it in there. Any problem with that one? That's got a cracked liner, so the engine's dead. So yeah, it was one of those ones. I went hunting for some way of fixing that one, to be honest with you, and just like happened to be on copart, stumbled across this one, which is black, and I thought, sod the other one, sod that horrible thing over there. Let's just, if this one's alright, we'll build this one. And to be honest with you, it looks right. Can't see too much more. But I think for today, I'm going to strip the inside out and see if I can clean some of that mess out, because that's absolutely pig awful in there. So yeah, I reckon that's the mission for today. Now I've just showed you it. Let's get the inside out, cleaned out, and see what crap we find and how dirty it actually really is. So yeah guys, what do you reckon to the new RS UK little project? How about stick it in the comments and let me know what you think to it and stuff, and whether you think I made the right move or just completely another tip. That's up to you. Just let me know what you think. But for now, I'm going to get cleaning the inside of this mess out and see if I can actually get it so I can want to actually touch it in there. Because at the moment, I don't. It's absolutely disgusting. So let's get cracking and see how I can make it look better, I suppose. Because, yeah, I think I need the bin first. All gloved up, so let's get you on time up to see what shit we get out of it. That was absolutely disgusting. That whole bin was empty a minute ago. Now it's like literally halfway up nearly, or a quarter of the way up, and I've still yet to hoover out the rest of the crap. It is disgusting in here. The seats have got to come out, the rest of it, but I'm just trying to clean out the crap. Even all the cubby holes and everything was full of rubbish for a lot. It was disgusting. So maybe where's the hoover round, and might actually have a proper look round inside the car then.
2 hours later.
Nothing's perfect or anything, but at least I can get in it now and actually work my way around it and actually work it out and the rest of it and see what we need. But we've got more crap down the back of there. Whatever that lot's for. Sure, I'll work it out. I ain't got a clue. Anybody know what that plug's for? Because I don't. But yeah, all that lot's out of there. Obviously has something in there, because like a boost controller or something, I reckon, because there's a hole in the back of it. But I'm sure I'll find it. But yeah, it's looking a bit cleaner in there than what it was. Nowhere near right. As I said, the whole interior is going to have to come out and get done properly, because that ain't staying like that. That's disgusting. Whatever's in better condition in that one, it's going to go in there. That's for certain. But for now, guys, I'm quite happy with how this one is at the moment, and hopefully the happiness will stay as soon as I start taking the front off and the rear bumper off and stuff, and see what damage there is or there isn't in there. But for now, guys, let me know what you think to this little project. Stick in the comments and stuff like that, and let me know whether I've made a good one or you reckon I've cocked up. But yeah, we'll see. We'll go along with the journey together and stuff and see what happens. But for now, guys, I'm going to sign off. Hope you're all staying safe, and we'll see you soon.